Good evening. Today is Sunday, 11th September 2022. I am Sudarshan Sukhani, and in this video we will talk about a more short-term topic, the view for the Nifty for tomorrow and maybe for the next couple of days. Uh, you know, After the deep correction in the markets, which bottomed out below 16,000 in June, the market has been slowly and steadily moving up. July, August, and now the middle of September. So we've had an uptrend for the last 2.5 months. It's not something that has come suddenly. It has been going on for almost 75 to 80 days. That uptrend persists. For short-term traders, it's important to know what is the trend, the intermediate trend. The intermediate trend is up. If the intermediate trend is up, then the easy direction, the easy trade is on the long side of the market. It doesn't mean every trade on the long side will make money, but it does mean that if you are following the intermediate trend, life is that much easier. What is the short-term trend, which is essentially the trend in which I and you will trade tomorrow? The short-term trend is flat because Friday saw a big gap up and then a decline that went throughout the day. But that's not a bear market. It's quite possible that that's a small dip on Friday and that dip is likely to lead to a renewed rally. I mean, every rally has dips, so Friday was the dip probably in an ongoing rally. If that is so, then tomorrow is a buy day. It's an opportunity to go long. The problem with these long trades is always that there may be a gap, and a gap up then causes problems. If there's a gap up, we have to wait for some kind of a dip or a consolidation to go long. But as of now, on Sunday evening, the view for the Nifty and for the Bank Nifty, for both of them, is to look for a long position tomorrow. Let's see how it works out. But usually in an uptrend, the easier trade, as I have told you, is to go long, and after a dip, going long is a much better idea. I have been making these videos in Hindi and the market view is in English. I hope you watch all the videos. Please give your comments. Thank you and Jai Hind.